I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful BMW F750 GS Sport in the lovely stereo metallic matte colour scheme. This is a 2019 model with just over 7,000 miles on the clock. Now this is quite a special bike, not your norm. It's the seat height reduction factory low model. So it comes out of the factory slightly lower, so it makes this bike much more accessible. Now, this bike comes with virtually every extra you can get. It's had all the boxes ticked, so this makes it a lot of bike for the money. It makes it stand out from the rest. I'll try and run through the list of everything that this bike's got on it because it's quite substantial. So it's had the touring package fitted, the dynamic package, the light package, and the exclusive style package. So it virtually has everything you can get on this bike. So that includes keyless ride. It's got the fantastic TFT display with connectivity. So you can see it there, it's like a mini iPad. The screen is second to none. It's one of the best displays on a motorcycle I've seen. It's got cruise control. It has the LED lighting, so obviously that's part of the light package. So you've got LED indicators, LED headlights with the adaptive DRL riding lights on there. You've got the prep for GPS, as you can see here. So the genuine BMW nav will fit in there and it will all work and tie in with the dash and the dials. You've got the brilliant Gear Shift Assist Pro. That's one of the features that people ask for across all the BMW range. That is a fantastic feature. One of the best parts of this bike is the Gear Shift Assist Pro. It's got the riding mode Pro, so you get the additional riding modes on here. So you've got the dynamic and the enduro ride modes added. It's got the dynamic traction control, ABS Pro. It's got heated grips, hand guards. They don't come as standard, your hand guards. And there's also the tire pressure control on there as well. Now on top of that, it's had the lovely crash bars fitted. Now we have all books present. The original owner's documentation. It's still got the original toolkit under the seat. Surprised how many people rob those and you never get them back again, but that's still there. And as you can see, it really is in outstanding condition. It's one of the nicest used bikes you'll see. It really has been very well cared for. You can see those engine cases, and those exhaust, the downpipes there. You can see the chain and sprockets, tyres are in great order, even the rear of the exhaust, as you can see. These grab rails not all kicked and scuffed, same with the seat. You can see that rear hub, the rear disc, rear of the chain and sprockets. Take you right along the exhaust. See that rear collector box, just how clean this bike truly is. And with all these extras that's listed on this bike, this really is extremely good value for money. If this was the 1200 GS, you'd be looking at a £15,000 bike with everything that it's got on it. So I'll take you around and I'll show you this brilliant display. Now, another point to note is that this comes with 4 BMW service stamps in the book, so it's been very well cared for, fully serviced up to date. So you can see here you've got your cruise control, there's your adaptive daytime lights, your menu button to cycle through. Over this side you've got your heated grips, and that's a 3-way heated grips, not your standard 2-way heated grips. And you've got your ride mode button there. Now as it's keyless, you have your fob. Keep your fob in your pocket because the sensor is beneath the seat on this bike, so you keep your fob in your pocket, push your button, and on she comes. You can see there in the bottom right, ABS Pro, and you can see there in the top, just over 7,000 miles, and you can see the dynamic rider mode. So I'll push the rider mode button and you can see all the additional modes. So you've got dynamic, enduro, rain and road. So the dynamic and enduro are additional features because it has the ride mode Pro. And then cycling through with your menu button, you can see here you get a fantastic drop down. There's the connectivity, so if you pair up your phone, you can do your media and your telephone, and also obviously if you connect the navigation there, that all ties up. You can drop down with the vehicle here and takes through all the specs of the bike. So it really is a great substantial display, one of the best on the market. So this really, really is a fantastic bike. Truly is one of the best examples you'll find. It needs to be seen to be appreciated. Part exchange is welcome. Finance and PCP deals are available along with nationwide delivery. If you require any more information at all, please do feel free to get in touch.